Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, Polkadot has come down quite rapidly today, and that so far is in line with forecast. What I would have liked to see though was a bit of a higher B wave, but that's fine. That's still all part of the base case of making another low. So it nearly touched the resistance area anyway. So yeah, the forecast was that against the $4.23 level, we are focusing on lower. Someone asked already, has DOT now completed the overall correction? And to be honest, it could be maybe one more low because I'm counting here a 1-2 setup, 3, 4, 5. Actually, two more lows seem likely in this structure, but we're already in the C wave now. That's at least how I would see this. So a bounce gets more and more likely. It's starting to beg for a bounce really now that we've made that one more low. But it could still drop down to the trend channel the way this is going. It was quite rapid how this coin has been dropping now. So because it's going so fast, I just move these over here, the wave labels. And what is the target for the C wave? So based on that weak B wave, we can now maybe add another target. So obviously I gave you target levels in the last videos. We calculated them already many weeks ago. The next one was here, $3.86. That's exactly where we're now. And below that we had $3.81. This is where it got rejected today and now is bouncing around the $3.86 level. One more step lower could send us down to $3.73. Still possible. Essentially the entire box can be used for this last wave down, yeah. And if we now take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, then it will give me another target. First of all, this was the 1-to-1 ratio that was reached today, but the extended target would be $3.57. Okay, that's based on the weak B wave that we've had. So it's another level to watch in the box. But I have no evidence at this stage that a low has already been made. So now that we are in this forecasted C wave to the downside, I'm going to add a micro count. Now, even more micro counting will not necessarily make the chart clearer, but it looks quite impulsive on the way down. So let me sort this and then we can add some wave labels, some microstructures. Like this roughly here. So yeah, because the move down seems to be impulsive, we have to watch for 5 waves. Okay, so what we're doing, going to add here an impulsive move. Yeah, so this would be a wave 1. This would be a wave 2. Then you see here, this is another one too, which I'm not going to label. This is a 3rd, a 4th, and a 5th. Possibly this wave 3 is done. This could be 4, and this could be 5. Resistance, micro resistance for this 4th wave. We need to know what is the level that the price now needs to stay below to give us one more low. Basically, it tells us if a certain level breaks that things might turn the other side. And we are going to add here resistance. And this is the $3.92 level or $3.91. So if this wave 4 now breaks above that level, a larger reversal might occur. If that is then really bullish, that's what remains to be seen. But for now, in an ideal world, the price would stay below $3.91 and then give us one more low to around about $3.73 or even $3.57. And until then, yeah, I mean, obviously it's, the price has basically done what it needs to do. It's now in the target region. It's in the middle of our target region that we defined, I think even months ago. It's got a pretty full wave count. I think the micro structures still allow for 1 or 2 more lows, I would say. Yeah, 1 or 2. And it could go down to, again, $3. What did I say? I gave you the targets, $3.73, $3.57. And the last level I have on here is $3.46. Below that level, I would start to worry about DOT. But at the moment, it's just doing what it was supposed to be doing. I would, in addition to that, pay attention to the lower boundary line of the trend channel, and the break to the upside of the trend channel would potentially have bullish implications. At the moment, even though I think a bounce is due, there is no evidence it has started. Looking at the RSI, there is even more space here on the daily time frame. It's not oversold yet, yeah, but we can see bullish divergences already on the daily time frame. So yeah, that's my view about Polkadot. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.